Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Xbox error code 0X80073D0F in 2026. If you are unable to install or update the game, don't worry, this error is usually easy to fix. So first of all, this error often happens when the install location is not set properly. So in order to set it properly, you need to go to the settings. In the settings, when you go to systems, you need to look for the option of storage and make sure that your default install location is selected correctly. Now you need to go to the My Games section and the app. Then simply look for the option of queue. Now you need to cancel the stuck installation and then you need to start it again. This also going to clear the temporary install errors. Now in step 3, you just have to make sure that you have enough free space on your drive. The low storage can also trigger the installation failure. Now you need to look for the cache files and then you need to clear them out. For that, again, you need to go to systems, then go to basically storage, and there you are going to see the option of clear local saved games, where console will restart automatically, and this is going to help fix the corrupted cache issues. You can also try signing out of your Xbox account and then you can sign in back in. You can also install the game from another profile to test it. If none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply restart your Xbox properly. For that, you just have to press and hold the Xbox power button and then wait for 10 seconds to fully shut down. Then you need to turn it back on. This also going to clear the system related glitches. So you can try all of these methods and see which one is working for you in order to fix this code. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.